poisoned dock water is left to dry in the open air. Ponds like this stretch a long distance and cover a vast area. You could see that there are two different distinctive colors of these 2 ponds beside me. And for example, this one is green. And on the other side, and this is red, very dark, and couldn't see the bottom of the water. Even the water is very shallow. And local people told us that it has been like this for decades. One local resident told us such ponds are the result of chemical plants that used to be here.
That used to be a chemical fertilizer plant, and that used to be a phosphate fertilizer plant, and that's a lime factory.
Plants such as these have been dumping waste here for years, and even though they're gone now, the pollution remains. This area is heavily populated. Just a kilometer away is a small town named Nanzhaofu. Villagers living here are angry about pollution.
Someone allowed trucks to dump their waste here and charge them.
The water is contaminated. If you don't believe, you can come here and have a taste.
With no regulations or measures in place, groundwater is also tainted. Water from wells less than 300 meters deep is rendered undrinkable. Well, the water, the fresh water they use, it's like someone put salt in it. It's very salty. This is fresh water. Actually, they've been using this to cook and then drink from this. A lot of people drink from this. Very salty, very salty. The local government has been trying to draw water from other regions, yet the plan hasn't been put into practice. There's no other source of water to be had, and most villagers have no choice but to continue drinking polluted water. They're complaining that they may get cancer in the long run. Ning, CGTN, Dacheng County.